everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I'm still in Christmas present mode. I've got one more person picked out that I want to make a pin for. When I saw this pin kit, they immediately came to mind, and I just had to do this one for them. So on the table before me, you see all of the parts. This is the Penn State Industries 30 caliber bolt action kit. So got a little bullet look on the end there, little bolt action mechanism here. I've picked out this blank for this one, which is kind of a stars and stripes motif. I think it's going to go well with the bullet look. Now, I know this one may not be everybody's cup of tea, but the person I've got in mind for this is going to love it. So let's get over to the lathe, prepare this blank, and then we can get the tube glued in it, start making a pin out of this. Let's go over there. Okay, we got the blank mounted up on my mandrel. We had a little bit of an issue when I was drilling it out. It kind of cracked out right here, so I'm going to keep an eye on that. We're hoping that this will stay together. Also, one other problem that I had in the last pen that I did was that the bushings on the end ended up too close to the end of my mandrel, and I had some trouble getting my gouges down in there. Luckily, Grandpa Dave to the rescue again. In his kit was some of these spacers, so I'm going to try putting a couple spacers in here. I know, most of you guys who turn pins a lot, you're going to go, well, yeah, Tim, should have used a spacer. And I'm sure Grandpa Dave is up there laughing at me somewhere. He's probably saying, kid, you'll figure it out eventually. So we're going to try this. This should go a little better. I put some CA glue in this crack. I'm a little worried about it. It tried to blow out when I was drilling it out, so I'm a little stressed about that. We'll see how it works, and hopefully, cross our fingers, it stays together. So let's get to turning this. Okay, so I've got this thing sanded up to 600. It's not really turning out the way I was thinking it was going to in my mind. The color didn't come out quite like I wanted it to. The blank looked like it was going to be red and white striped. It's got a lot of blue in it, which is kind of strange. But and then I'm dealing with a couple cracks in there. So with that thought in mind, we're going to finish it with Starbond Thin CA glue for a finish. And then I'm going to come back over that with the Axe abrasive paste and polishing compound and polish up the CA finish. I'm going to turn on the dust collector system and get a face mask on, or a respirator on, and we'll start applying this CA glue. So let's get to that. All right, let's press these parts together and get a pin. So we are back at the lathe using it as a press again. I'm going to use my little scraps from different turning that I did a while back. I just held onto these and they come in handy for this. So same thing we did last time. All right, drop the ink cartridge in, screw the cap on, make sure it works. Perfect. There we go. 130 caliber bolt action pen. Like I said, I've already got somebody picked out for this one. I think they're really going to enjoy it. This is kind of a fun little pen, kind of neat looking. And like I said, I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but I know the person that's getting this, they're going to love it. Don't forget, we have a Patreon. If you guys would like to support this channel, click that link in the description below. As little as $1 a month would help me out in buying pen kits and blanks and various other things that I need to keep providing you guys with these videos. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and click that notification bell so you know when the next video is coming. If you guys like this little bolt action 30 caliber pen, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys.